Hi, my name's Mark Ambridge and we're at the Andrew Sims workshop in Botany. Topcoat recently completed 2,000 square metres of epoxy application in 2 stages. The coating application was the Mapei I-302 System. The coating was applied by spray application, and the advantages to the client is that they get a high film build on the surface, very good light retention and very easy to clean.
Hi, my name's Kevin Schroeder. I'm the Operations Manager for the Andrew Sims Group, and this is our new updated Botany dealership in Tiarangi Drive. We've undertaken a multi-million-dollar expansion of this facility over the last 12 months, and we got to the point where we felt that the floor needed to be updated. Local company Topcoat were one of the businesses that we approached, and Topcoat team were very, very well organised. No disruption to our business at all. We're very, very happy with the result. It's just lifted the whole appearance of the place. Staff are feeling great, so I can't, express more thanks to the team with Mark at Topcoat. It's been great.